the oxygen supply into the blood is called hyperbaric hyperoxia. The SBO therapy, which is done by special force, is categorized as a fitness therapy and is preventive, but may increase physical capability. Next slide. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy definition, just to remind, is a cure of therapy that uses oxygen 100 until, I think it's until 100, because if we use oxygen therapy not use 100, we can use 60%, 80%, 90%. As a respiration media in the pressure of more than 1 atmosphere absolute within a pressure room. It can be used as the main therapy or complementary or supporting for the clinical condition. Next slide. This is just only as described about indication and contraindication. We must important to know about the absolute contraindication is tension pneumothorax and pregnancy. Yeah. And SBOT therapy for human can use as a fitness activity. Next slide. This is just to remind about the principle of physics in SBO. About the volume of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure is constant temperature. The Boyle law, Dalton law say the pressure of the gas combination is equal to the partial amount of each gas, and Henry law say the dilute gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of such gas at a constant temperature, and Charles law say in constant volume the temperature of gas is directly proportional to its pressure. And we must know about the phase of respiration is ventilation, transportation, utilization, and diffusion. Next slide. Development of science and technology regarding to soldier forcing capability has shown the necessity of supporting technique to increase their capability, such as a diving skill. Increased skill, SBOT is needed to maintain and increase the forcing skill of the soldier. SBOT hyperbaric therapy diperlukan untuk menjaga atau mempertahankan kondisi dari prajurit-prajurit. Sorry, I use hybrid language. And how to know about the value? We can see about scientific approach, how to exercise, anatomical of the every person, physiology, biomechanic, nutrition, and motoric learning. There are many scientific proof to show the effect of hyperbaric hyperoxic environment to increase lungs and heart capacity, such as the slowing down at heart plus and the increased capacity of FO2 max of the lung. Next slide. The increase in heart pulse regarding physical exercise causes the oxygen necessity to increase drastically up to 20 times normal need. Oriani, 1988. In submaximal physical exercise, the oxygen consumption is 100 milliliter few minutes, and it becomes 1,000 milliliter every minute, which is caused by alveolar ventilation increment. And the submaximum physical exercise, there is an increase the blood circulation toward muscle, with the followed by vasodilatation and vasoconstriction of internal organ. Next slide. Let me see. If we use physical exercise with a maximum load. Jadi kita memberikan latihan dengan kapasitas yang maksimal. We can see two conditions. First is physical exercise to exhaustion. Jadi latihan yang dilakukan sampai dia standarnya mengalami kelelahan. Sedangkan yang lain, there is submaximum physical exercise. Jadi no exhaustion. Jadi berhenti sebelum mencapai kelelahan.